Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to my lecture, Modifier Exercise. Dear students, today I would like to present the lecture on modifier exercise. You know, before doing modifier, first of all, you have to read out the phrases mentioned in the question critically and carefully. And then you should find out the indication in the blank. Just according to the indication in the blank, you should fill up that should be relevant to the meaning of the sentences. So let's get started. First of all, you should read out the sentence and try to find out the indication in the blank. Television has become the most common and dash source of entertainment of the dash world. Dear students, you know, here is mentioned pre-modify the noun. You know, whenever you see in the blank it is mentioned pre-modify the noun, so you should write down here an adjective. I repeat it, if you see or if you find in the blank the indication pre-modify the noun, then you have to use or you should use an adjective here just according to the meaning of the sentences. So what will be here, just think about it. So we can write down here, television has become the most common and dash source of entertainment. Dear students, mind it please, here you should write down an adjective as it is mentioned pre-modify the noun. You should write down here an adjective just according to the meaning of the sentences, any adjective that should be relevant. So we can write down here popular source of entertainment. Popular, television has become the most common and popular source of entertainment of the dashed world. Popular, I write down here popular, you can write down any other synonymous word or synonym adjective, and then source of entertainment of the dash word. Dear learners, we see here the indication is pre-modify the noun again. So as it is indicated pre-modify the noun, so we should write down here an adjective just according to the meaning of the sentences. So what will be here, think about it. I think source entertainment of the present word, we can write down here an adjective present word, present, or another adjective you can write down current world. Both are correct. Just you can write down any adjective as it is indication pre-modify the noun. If you see pre-modify the noun is indicated in the blank, so you should write down an adjective just according to the meaning of the sentences. So you can write down here present word or current word or any other synonymous adjective you can write down in the blank. A wide range of programs of dash interest is telecast on dash channels. Dear learners, you know, here is indicated pre-modify the adjective. Well, now you should try to use just according to the meaning of the sentence adverb here, adverb, pre-modify the adjective. You should bear in mind whenever it is indicated in the blank pre-modify the adjective, you should write down an adverb just according to the meaning of the sentences. So what will be here, a wide range of programs of dash interest is telecast on dash channels. Pre-modify the adjective, so you should write a wide range of programs of dash interest. So we can write down varied. A wide range of programs of varied interest. Varied interest is telecast on dash channels. Here will be, I think, not adjective, it will be free modify the noun. It will be free modify the noun. That means you should write down an adjective, varied interest, or you can write down various interest. Interest is telecast on dash channels. Dear learners, number D, in number D, it is seen that in the blank it is mentioned free modify the noun. So again you should use an adjective here, just according to the meaning of the sentence. So what will be here? Telecast on dash channels, channels. Mind it please, here you should write down an adjective. So numerous channels, you can write down numerous channels. Television has become the most common and popular source of entertainment of the present world or current world. A wide range of programs of varied interest is telecast on numerous channels. Dear learners, number E, use noun adjective programs are dash entertaining. You know, here is indicated use noun adjective. So first of all, you should know what is noun adjective. Noun adjective means noun plus noun. That means whenever you see after the blank noun, whenever you see or you find noun after the blank, you know, here programs is a noun. So we should use a noun before noun, though the noun here in the blank would be an adjective, but you should use noun here as it is mentioned. Use noun adjective. So now what is noun adjective? Noun adjective means noun plus noun. So we should write down here a noun. As we find programs is a noun, so before programs we should use a noun here, and you should bear in mind that the noun here used would be an adjective as it is mentioned, noun adjective, but here it is a noun. As a noun you should use here. So what will be here? Dash programs. Dear learners, you should use here a noun, so we can write down TV programs. TV programs are dash entertaining. So here TV is a noun and program is a noun. So noun plus noun, it is noun adjective, and you should mind it that here the noun TV is a noun. So a noun here would be an adjective, though it is noun. It works as an adjective here, though it is noun, so it is called noun adjective, noun plus noun. So first noun works as an adjective, though it is noun. TV programs are dash entertaining. Dear learners, here is mentioned free modify the adjective. You know, free modify the adjective, whenever it is indicated free modify the adjective, you should use an adverb here. In the blank you should use an adverb, because adjective always modifies adverb. So we should write down in the blank an adverb just according to the meaning of the sentences. So TV programs are dash entertaining. We can write down here very entertaining. So you know, very is an adverb. So TV programs are very entertaining. They can be dash educative too. Dear learners, here is also mentioned free modify the adjective. You know, adjective always modifies adverb, so we should write down here an adverb just according to the meaning. So what will be here? Think about it. It will be, I think, they can be highly educative. Highly, they can be highly educative too. They can be highly educative too. Next, courses dash by the Open University are shown on BTB. Courses dash, free modify the noun, here is mentioned, free modify the noun, that means, you know, noun always modifies an adjective, so we should write down an adjective here. So what will be here? Courses run, R-U-N, run, or conducted, C-U-N, conducted. You should mind it that run here, you know, the run is a verb, but whenever it is converted into first participle form of the verb, it is transformed into an adjective, and like that, conducted. So conduct, present form, first form conducted and past participle conducted. Whenever the first participle form of the verb is transformed, is called an adjective, it works as an adjective. So we can say here run and conducted as an adjective here is used. So courses run by the Open University or conducted by the Open University are shown on BTB. Well, dear learners, number I, pre-modify the noun. Channels like the Discovery and National Geographic channels telecast highly informative programs. So here is mentioned pre-modify the noun, dash channels. Dear students, if you see it is indicated pre-modify the noun, I told you before that you should use an adjective here. So we can write down dash channels or many channels, many and adjective, you know. So you can write down many channels like the Discovery and National Geographic channel telecast highly informative programs. However, watching TV has become dash addiction for us. It is very simple, you know. Here is mentioned to use an article. So you should use an article as we see here, and here a vowel. So we can write down an article. TV, however, watching TV has become an addiction for us. Dear learners, in such a way, you should study critically and carefully. First of all, you should find it out, the indication mentioned in the blank. Just according to the indication, you should fill up the each and every blanks. I think if you study in such a way, it would be very easy for you to solve the problems in the questions. I think no more today. Thank you all. Thank you very much.